Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and today we are driving the 2018 Lexus LC 500H, and the H stands for Hybrid. Now what we'll do is we'll take it for a quick street drive. At the end of the video, I will give you my pros and cons on the car. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Remember to watch the video all the way through and always leave a comment below. Now, the Lexus LC 500H is expensive. It has an MSRP of approximately $100,000. Its hybrid powertrain consists of a 3.5-liter V6, 2 electric motors, and a battery pack. Combined, it produces 354 horsepower. It also has 2 transmissions, a CVT and a 4-speed automatic working together. It's supposed to mimic the shifting and imitate a 10-speed automatic transmission, though when I drove it, I thought it clearly functioned as a CVT. Now, one of the best features of this car is the interior. This is a gorgeous interior, probably the best interior of any car I've driven so far on the channel. Let's take it out for a quick street drive, and then at the end of the video, I will give you my pros and cons on the Lexus 500 Hybrid. Now, this car is quick. It's not as fast as some of the cars we drove today, but it is a very comfortable ride. You can drive this car all day long, not be fatigued. You got all the latest safety standards. It's a Lexus, so you know it's going to be really reliable. All right, so how does the LC 500H, which stands for hybrid, drive? It drives pretty good, actually. I just love this interior. This automatic transmission thing is driving me crazy. I don't know. I had the hardest time going from park to drive with it. But it's got a real smooth ride. These roads were so bumpy. This is a press day again. Driving the GTR, the Shelby GT350. You drive this car and it kind of floats in the curves. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it actually, there is no minimal body roll. It really holds the road in a very smooth ride. Is it a sports car? No, but it's a really nice, sharp-looking luxury car with a great interior. Yeah, these roads just seem so smooth compared to the other cars I've been driving. Wow. Now you got the lane assist here. If you hit one of the lines, it beeps. Kind of annoying. Heads-up display is great. I don't know that that's coming out with the camera angle that we have. Press day, you only get these cars for 20 minutes, and that includes shooting video. So if I stop over for 10 minutes to shoot photos or video, that's part of my 20 minutes. So this car drives very well. And it's late in the day, so the sun is doing all kinds of crazy shadows here. But this is a fun car to drive. Is it a sports car? No. Would this be the ultimate commuter car? Probably. It drives really nice. For most people, this is what they're going to want. A nice, smooth ride, a fast car. And this car is a looker, man. Everybody loves how it looks. This car is attracting a lot of attention, I'll tell you that. In a good way. This car is so quiet, I actually had to start it twice. Had I not seen starting on the navigation, I would have known I even started the car. If you want a fast, good-looking car with a comfortable ride, this may just be it. It's got some power. And they actually made it sound pretty decent, too. I love the instrumentation on this car as well. All right, guys, so what do we think of the Lexus LC 500 Hybrid? Well, this car is gorgeous. From the interior to the exterior, this car is really a looker. It's got some power. I wouldn't call it fast, but it's quick. I'm sure it gets amazing gas mileage, and it's fun to drive. If you're definitely looking for one of these cars, I think you should pick one up. I love the instrumentation here. The ride is very smooth, like daily driver quality good. We've been driving some other sports cars on these back roads, and it was really, really stiff. And I'm telling you, this car is a delight, certainly from the ride quality. And it's a looker. We have these cars come to our Cars and Coffee, and you know, the crowd gathers around these cars, so you'll definitely stand out. It's the latest technology. It's a Lexus, so you know it'll be reliable and also have a good resale value. Some other cool features of the car are these beautiful 21-inch wheels, carbon fiber roof, and a retractable rear spoiler. Now, what are the downsides? Well, it's really a 2+2. The back seat has almost no legroom, and if you think the legroom is bad, you should see the headroom in the back seat. So probably small kids only, certainly not adults. Trunk is very small. You know, for a grand touring car, trunk probably fits one suitcase or maybe two smaller ones. But you do get this gorgeous interior. I love these gauges, like I said a million times in the video. Everything about this car is great. It's no sports car. It's definitely a grand tourer, but could make a great daily driver if you don't need a back seat. Thanks again for watching, guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching all the way through, and always leave a positive comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.